Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to resize an image in Canva without cropping any part of the picture. A lot of people face this issue. When they resize an image, some part of it gets cut. So today, I'll show you the simple and correct way to resize your image and keep the full photo visible. Let's start. First, open Canva in your browser or app and make sure you're logged in. Now, open the design where you want to add your image. You can open a new design or any existing project. Next, upload your photo and place it on the page. Once the image is on your canvas, click on it to select it. You'll see small white circles on the corners of the image. Now, to resize your image without cropping, always drag from any corner. Drag inward to make the image smaller, and drag outward to make it bigger. You'll notice that the full image stays visible and nothing is cut. One important tip, do not drag from the side handles because that can stretch your image and make it look weird. Always resize using the corners. When you're done, click anywhere outside the image. That's it. Your image is now resized properly and no part of it is cut. Thanks for watching this quick Canva tutorial. If this helped you, please like the video, subscribe for more simple editing tips, and comment below if you want more quick Canva guides. See you in the next video.